Hello, I'm Alex. I want to unboxing Ringke Fusion for S22 Ultra and Spigen Ultra Hybrid Clear for S22 Ultra 2. Okay, now we unboxing the Spigen Ultra Hybrid Clear for S22 Ultra first. And now we unboxing the Ringke Fusion for S22 Ultra. Okay, here we go. This is the Ringke Fusion, and this a Spigen Ultra Hybrid. It looks similar. Clear case. Okay, no comparison time. On the top is Ringke, on the bottom is Spigen Ultra Hybrid, and the button of Spigen have some grip out there, and the bottom is almost the same. Okay, now we peel off the plastic of Spigen Ultra Hybrid. It's more easier peel because it have a flap to peel off the plastic. And now we build the Ringke Fusion. It's more hard because no flap to build plastic on the case like a Spigen. It's more trickier. You must have use the nail for peel off the plastic. Okay, now we compare after take off the plastic and have a same clarity of Spigen Ultra Hybrid and the Ringke Fusion. Ringke Fusion and Spigen Ultra Hybrid have soft on the side, and the back is hard plastic. It's for clarity and show off the beauty of your S22 Ultra. Okay, this Ringke Fusion. Ringke Fusion is have two holes on the bottom left and the bottom right for using some strap. Okay, now we try to put S22 Ultra to Ringke Fusion, to use Ringke Fusion, and here we go. And this S22 Ultra with Ringke Fusion, you can show off the color of your device with this clear case, and the button is work well and cover up my device perfectly. I spend no problem, and camera lens protect perfectly too. Okay guys, now we try Spigen Ultra Hybrid clear case. On the bottom, speaker and S Pen cover perfectly. On the side is nothing. Camera is covered perfectly too. On top is protected too perfectly. Button is soft and working well. Okay, this is a Spigen Ultra Hybrid clear case. Is can protect your device and show off the beauty of your device perfectly. And this is my two favorite clear case for show off your true beauty of your device. And thank you for watching, guys. See you at my next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe.